Hello guys, this is Fundamental People speaking. I will be explaining my other hedge strategy with this video. So on the hedge strategy, everything is easy. This is part 4 of my hedge strategy. Okay, so I'll try to be as quick as possible so that I don't waste your data. Okay, so on basic knowledge of Forex, we all know that we have correlation in the market. Okay, I'll make an example with USD CAD and CAD JPY for CAD news related. Okay, so if USD CAD goes up, CAD JPY will go down. Okay, let's prove it. CAD JPY, USD CAD was going up, CAD JPY was going down. So let's continue. Even with the news, you can check. You can check with the news. Okay, you can check that with the news. Let's go to USD CAD. You can check that with the news. We have CAD news. Okay, here our CAD news, as you can see, they went down here. Okay, check the date. Okay, check the date and the time. Okay, then let's go to CAD JPY. This was employment change. On CAD JPY, I remember it rejected. It was last week Friday. I remember that it rejected. Okay, it was last week Friday, meaning that it will be somewhere here. Okay, but then if you can check, the candle ended green and that side the candle ended red. Okay, so now we then know that if USD CAD goes up, it means CAD JPY will do what? It means that CAD JPY will do what? It will go up. If USD CAD goes down, USD CAD will go up. Okay, then meaning that if USD CAD goes up, Euro CAD also goes up. Okay, why? Because USD CAD is on the right, and also Euro CAD is on the right, and also AUD CAD is on the right, meaning that they will go to the same direction. Again, if CAD JPY goes down, CAD CHF will go down too, because the CAD is both on the left. This is correlation of the market. Okay, then let's continue. Now, my part 4 of the strategy, it uses of the hedge strategy, it uses USD CAD and what? And Euro CAD. What is it that we gotta do on this step? Okay, each and every single time before CAD news, 1 minute before CAD news, what is it that we gotta do? You know that they will go to the same direction, so hedging them means that if you okay, on USD CAD 1 minute before the news, you buy USD CAD, you put a stop loss of 7 pips. Okay, then you come to Euro CAD, you sell Euro CAD, you do what? You put a stop loss of what? 7 pips. Okay, if the news on CAD are positive, okay, one will hit your stop loss and one will remain. If they are positive, it means that the one that you took the buy on, okay, will do what? Will trigger. Okay, because CAD news are positive. Okay, meaning that on USD CAD, on CAD JPY they will go up, and on USD CAD they will go down. Okay, so the one that you took buy on will hit the stop loss, and then the one that you took sell will remain. Okay, I repeat, you buy USD CAD, you put a stop loss of 70. You sell Euro CAD, you put a stop loss of 70. If the news are positive, on CAD JPY they will go up, meaning that on Euro CAD and AUD CAD, on USD CAD they will go down. right? So on EuroCAD, they won't hit your stop loss, and on USD CAD, they will hit your stop loss. Okay, so now to maximize profit even more, right? What is it that you gotta do? When you buy USD CAD, you put what? You buy USD CAD, okay, and then on your stop loss, you put a sell stop. Okay, then you come to EuroCAD, you buy EuroCAD too. Okay, I mean to say on EuroCAD you do what? You sell EuroCAD, because on USD CAD you buy. You buy USD CAD, you put a stop loss, you put a buy stop on it. Okay, and then you come to EuroCAD, you sell EuroCAD, you put a stop loss,